How to use Mondaycom advanced marketing projects properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Mondaycom is one of the most powerful platforms for managing marketing projects, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time, clarity, and results. Most people get this wrong, but here's why using it correctly is a game changer. A common mistake is skipping board customization. Mondaycom lets you create boards for campaigns, content, social media, and more. Beginners often use default templates without adjusting statuses, columns, or labels to fit their workflow. For example, labeling a task simply as in progress does convey priority or deadline urgency. Customizing boards ensures everyone knows exactly what needs attention. Another error is underutilizing automation. Mondaycom allows automatic task assignments, notifications, and deadline reminders. Beginners often manually update tasks, which leads to missed deadlines and bottlenecks. Setting up simple automations like alerting a team member when a task moves to review keeps projects on track and frees up time for strategy rather than repetitive updates. Dependencies are another area that's often ignored. Mondaycom allows tasks to depend on one another, meaning one task must finish before the next starts. Beginners skip this and risk teams working on tasks out of order, causing delays and confusion. Using dependencies properly keeps the workflow logical and efficient. Collaboration mistakes are common too. Mondaycom has features for comments, file attachments, and team tagging, but beginners sometimes rely on email threads instead. Centralizing communication within the platform avoids miscommunication and ensures that all project information is accessible in one place. Finally, reporting is often neglected. Mondaycom dashboards can track progress, campaign performance, and workload. Beginners may ignore these insights, missing trends that could improve strategy. Regularly reviewing dashboards helps teams adjust priorities, allocate resources effectively, and identify areas for improvement. To use Mondaycom advanced marketing projects properly, customize boards, leverage automation, manage dependencies, centralize communication, and utilize dashboards. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Mondaycom from a simple project tracker into a true marketing management powerhouse.